We're in Florida, yeah.
The state owns the property.
Right. Who's the state?
You are not the state.
We, the people, are the state.
If you want, I can have the policeman escort you out.
Oh, you can have the police escort me out?
Sure.
I can have the police educate you if you want to do that.
Okay, let's go talk to him.
You go talk to him.
Hope I get a lot of hits.
See how they treat these people for the rest of the day.
You're gonna stay here all day.
Perhaps.
Okay.
I'm going to stay here as long as I feel like it.
Okay.
Okay?
You sure it's a wife or is it a guy?
Well, with those eyebrows, come on. Look at you. And do you have...
I'm more wolf than you believe, my good sir.
You're more what?
Wolf than you believe.
Wolf?
Wolf.
Really? You're a wolf? Okay. Rights Crispy here in Pinellas County at a tax collector's office. It's pretty busy.
If it's going up to Mississippi,
Kind of a longer wait over here.
Excuse me. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Do you have permission for me to record my face?
Do I need permission from you?
Do in a public place.
I do in a public place. So if we were in Disney World and I was taking a picture of my kid and you were behind him, I'd have to stop you and ask you? You're wrong about that.
And here you are in a government location.
That's right.
You can't film
You know who owns this?
Yes, the state of California, the state of Florida.
We're in Florida, yeah.
The state owns the property.
Right. Who's the state?
You are not the state.
We, the people, are the state.
If you want, I can have the policeman escort you out.
Oh, you can have the police escort me out?
Sure.
I can have the police educate you if you want to do that.
Okay, let's go talk to him.
You go talk to him.
You ready?
No. You go
You
talk
don't
to
want
him.
to talk to him?
Oh, you talk to him if you have to.
I will.
Go for it. Tough guy.
Don't be a tough guy. See you in court, buddy. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing right now? Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Where's Jay?
What's your name?
Sir, he doesn't.
You're going to be famous.
Shoot. You ready? We can go to court. I don't have a problem with it.
Go to court. How are you going to do that?
You're going to be escorted out.
Whatever case law you have, give it to Paris Hilton. She'll be happy to hear that.
You'll be escorted out.
We're in public, sir. You have no expectation of privacy. This is a long wait, and hopefully this will help you have a shorter wait next time.
The locals will come. They'll be here.
Go ahead. They know who I am.
You'll be out.
No, I won't.
Sure you will. You'll
No, I won't. It's called the First Amendment. It's the only job protected by the Constitution.
This is a government office.
That's
You're
right.
not allowed to film here.
And we, the people, have the right to redress our grievances, and make sure that our government is working properly, and that's what I'm doing.
I hope you have a lot of money.
Oh, yeah? Why is that?
You'll need time in court.
Yeah.
You'll
How's
need a
that?
lot of time in court.
No, explain it to me, please.
Look right here.
You're going to sue me?
Look right there.
You said you're going to take me to court?
I will.
What's my name?
We'll find out.
How?
I'm going to look at the video
Okay. How are you going to look at the video?
of our own cameras here in the building.
How are you going to get that?
I'm going to petition it from the courts.
It's a public records request, that's right. You could ask for it right here.
I can ask for it.
Chapter
And I'll get it.
119-1 of the Florida State Statute Sunshine Law allows you to do that.
You do not have my permission to video me.
I don't need it.
You better look up the state statutes.
Yeah.
You're going to see.
I know the state statutes way better than you do.
When the officer gets here, you'll see.
This is what I do.
Because I'm actually going to file a complaint.
File a complaint.
Right. And I'll
What's your
see you in
complaint?
court.
I want to hear it.
You videotaping me without my permission.
And they're going to tell you you have no expectation of privacy in public.
I have to be warned in advance before
No, you don't.
videotape.
No, you don't.
You're going to find out.
That's a grievous misconception a lot of people have. And one of the reasons I do this is to educate ignorance.
You're going to find out.
No, you're going to find out. How are you? Oh, are we? No, we
Now,
can't.
publicly you can, but back here they
Okay, is there a restricted sign that?
yeah, all of this here is restricted area. And then the customers, if they don't want to be recorded either, you're not supposed to be recording them as well.
Well, sir.
I don't care if you record
No,
them,
no, I
you
know, I
could,
know,
yeah.
I know. But this is just for posterity. There is no expectation of privacy in public. If it's publicly accessible, if the public can go there without a camera, I could go there with a camera.
Well, yeah, I understand that, but if the public doesn't
Now
want
serving
to record them, they have a privacy
104.
upon themselves
And
not to be
station
recorded.
number.
Does
You
that
don't-
make sense, really? They have a privacy upon
It
themselves.
does.
No, sir, not when you
If
leave
I
your
don't
house.
want you to record me as a person, yeah.
No, no,
I
no.
don't.
And
I would ask you to put down the phone.
then tell that to Paris Hilton. Seriously, I'm not
I'm
trying
worried
to.
about Paris Hilton.
No, I'm just.
talking about me.
Right,
Okay?
right.
If I ask you to put down the phone, because I don't care.
But
Okay, you can
this is
record
for
me all
civil
day.
rights. Let me explain to you,
Okay,
please.
okay, I'm talking right now.
Go ahead.
But if I ask you to record me, okay, by all means, record me. Do whatever. But if I don't want you to record me,
Go home and shut your
that's
curtains.
public. Huh?
Go home and shut your curtains and create the privacy. But if you're in public, you have no expectation of privacy. It's the law.
No.
I abide by the law, and I'm upholding the law.
Okay, cut all that. Why are you doing it anyway?
This is a First Amendment audit.
A First Amendment audit.
Correct.
Has this guy said anything to you up front?
No. He has not.
We would like for you to put it down.
Well, it's a request that I'm going to politely decline, sir. I follow the law, and this is my legal right.
Let me
Now
talk
serving
to them, and then if
Go
law
ahead.
enforcement comes, they will have to come.
If you have to
I've
call,
done before.
I'd rather you not waste the resources, but if you need them to come out here and educate you on the law, then go ahead. I've done this in government buildings, including tax collectors all over the state, not just here, but in Georgia and Kentucky.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what, this is our legal right to make sure that these lines aren't as long as this next time. I put this on video and I let everybody see this.
It's not even long today.
No, it's not. It's worse than this, normally.
The line is not even long today. What did he tell you? What's the actual time?
What do you mean? No, he didn't tell me anything. I just came in and just saw.
Been up front yet.
No, I haven't. I haven't been
let's
here
go
for
talk to him.
more than
Let's go talk-
10
no,
minutes.
No. Let's
Oh,
go talk to him and see what the
I
time
don't
is.
need to. I don't need to.
So you're only guessing that the lines are long. Then.
It just looks like it's very busy in here. But if they're being taken
It looks
care of,
like it's busy.
Right.
Because of your film.
we'll
because of
see.
your camera.
The camera is not going to lie.
I know.
And I'm not
It's
going
not
to
that
edit
busy.
anything out either.
It's not that busy today.
Okay, then if I see all these people like cleared out in a good amount of time,
So you're
that's
lying
going to
to
be.
all your viewers.
No, I'm going to document the
You're
truth.
literally lying to all your viewers.
No, sir.
Well,
I'm
ask him the times. Then.
I'm not going to ask him the times. I'm going to let people see it.
He will clearly tell you what time.
Well, he might be lying. This is an objective documentation.
Okay, so he hasn't said to you anything about being in here
No.
at all.
No.
Let's do that. Let's come. The customer said, if you harass them, they can contact PD on you.
Well, you have to look up the definition of harassment. I've never seen that man before in my life, so it's impossible for me to have been harassing him. And he actually called me over. I have documentation. He called me over spouting off falsehoods, saying that I need his permission. If you go to Disney World, no, I'm not. I was answering his question. No, I'm not.
He's a customer here. You're harassing him.
You're saying that I'm harassing that customer. How so?
You're harassing him.
You're
Holding the
casting
camera.
false aspersions on me legally, so it's documented. How am I harassing him?
You're harassing him by holding that camera on him.
That's not harassment, sir. Look up the definition of harassment. Take your time if you have to Google it. I got this here. All these different plates you can choose.
Now serving B.
No, you won't. What's up? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Good one.
I like how you're going around talking about how you do all this, and yet you're invading other people's privacy as well.
Are you in private?
Yeah.
Really? This is private.
Oh, no. Mine is private.
My,
Have the
you're.
right to record me. Good thing.
It's the same thing he was saying. You're wrong. So you're in public. Okay. That's going to be a thumbnail. Thank you.
Oh, God, I hope so. Please. Oh, man.
I was going to be in and out, but he said he was calling the cops. I don't want them chasing me. Good. They always make it worse. I think so. For my constitutionally protected activity. That's what they don't understand. We have freedom of the press, man. It's the first law of the United States.
Yeah, so where's it gonna look up? In here?
Yeah, they're
Still
trying to.
further, I would actually like to know why you're doing this.
It's a First Amendment audit. We go to tax collectors all over the state, and we make sure that they're being run efficiently because we have Smith versus City of Cumming. It's case law. We have the right to make sure that our government, working on the government dime, is doing it properly and efficiently.
Yeah, but I mean, how can you tell just, you can't see on the desks or there or what's being said?
Yeah, no, I'm not trying to get any private information.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Right,
Like that.
but these people do, and the thing is, like, people always talk about individual freedom, but once they see a free individual, they get scared. I have 2 licensed professions, man. This is my free time. I honor my oath.
I get what you're doing. I mean, this is actually helpful.
This does, absolutely, yeah. If you see the Davy, you go on YouTube, look up the Davy DMV, and there were 200 people sweating in this sweltering heat just because this one manager didn't know how to efficiently run it. They said, "What is this going to do?" I said, "Maybe next time they'll put somebody to work at window number 12, 15, 17.
I understand that, but how can you tell all that like that? I mean, unless it's got a real good Zoom and you can hear what you're saying.
No, yeah.
Saying.
Yeah, you'd be amazed at what I can capture with this. Huh? Questions, comments, agreements?
Laughing at your expense.
Oh, okay. Good job. Keep on sheeping on.
I'm more wolf than you believe, my good sir.
You're more what?
Wolf than you believe.
Wolf?
Wolf.
Really? You're a wolf?
Yeah,
You look like a wolf.
thank you. Pretty adorable.
He said, "I'm more wolf."
You said keep sheeping on.
Yeah. Stop being a sheep. I moved over to this side because they're inciting a riot.
Record back here, sir.
I can record from here.
Not record behind the desk.
Well,
There's too much information back here.
flip the folders over. Cover up. The onus is on you. I'm making sure you're doing it right. Okay.
Now serving B, 163. At station number 5. Now serving B, 105.
Do you know if he called the cops?
Station.
They've been called? Okay. I'll wait for him then.
Thank you.
Hey, did you call the police?
No.
Oh, okay. He was saying that they did. I'm just making sure because if you did call the police, I don't want to run and have them chase me or anything. I'll wait
I
for
don't want to
them.
call the cops, but if they feel you're harassing them, because I keep hearing you talking to the other customers, they're more than
They're
they have
talking to
every
me.
right
I have no ill will, no intent.
I have
and-
nothing to do with what you're doing right now.
Okay, but you just said that I'm harassing someone, and harassment, you have to see
I'm
some.
not saying you're harassing anybody. I'm saying if they feel harassed, like they have been saying themselves, then they're more than welcome to call law enforcement.
Okay, but there's no harassment that has happened. I've never seen these people before in my life.
That's
If
fine.
you look up the definition of harassment, I'd
I'm
have
not
to
here.
see
I'm not
it.
here to debate that with you, sir.
Okay. All right.
Do you need anything right now?
No, but you know what heckler's veto is?
Okay, but I need you out of my way so I can take on any customers.
Sure, go ahead. I'm not blocking the way. I'm not disrupting anything.
You are not now.
What's your name?
My name is Edward.
Edward what?
That's all you need. Edward.
No, how do I know there's not another Edward working
No,
here?
there's no other Edward here.
Okay, I'd like to file a public records request, please. Can you take it down? Write my email down?
You want your email? Sure.
Follow the law, yes, sir. 119-1. Public records law.
What's your email, sir? I'll
Rights.
I'll get you into contact with someone that could provide public records.
Right, no, you just have to take down my request and give it to them and have them email.
That's it.
Okay, rights, RIGHTS, Crispy, CRISPY, at boltactionnewsgroup.com.
What's your name?
I don't need to give you my name.
Okay. So we'll have a name request to this email. Rights Crispy at Bolt Action Group.
News group.
Newsgroup.com. Okay.
That's
Again,
right.
you're interrupting my flow here.
Do you want to take my request?
I can't do that right now. I'm working right now.
Well, I have a business. Just take my request. I want
Your request is right there. I will get to it when I can. I have other people that actually need service from.
I have a legal request right now. I have a statutory right to get these records.
Okay, but I'm attending these citizens
You're,
that actually
you're,
have services.
you're denying
I'm
me
not
service?
refusing you anything.
You are. I'm asking you. You were taking care of me,
How can I
and
help
now
you?
you're denying me service. It's on record.
Is that all you're doing? Yeah. Okay. You have a Florida title, out-of-state title?
Florida title.
Okay. You have insurance on it already?
Yes.
Okay. So they'll call you by this number right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're violating my statutory rights.
It doesn't have to be right now, sir.
Yes, it does.
I will get to you when I'm able. Thank you.
We're moving, we moved to Florida from Michigan, so we brought our.
You need to get a new driver's license.
Yeah,
Driver's license. You have your Michigan licenses with you?
yes,
So it's 3 of you?
No, just two.
Just 2 of you? Okay. So you have a birth certificate or passport with you?
yep, passport, driver's license, social security.
Social.
Or lease.
Good. That's just the licenses, right? Yep. Okay. So they'll call you. I'll take care of both of you on this one signature, okay? They'll call you by this number right here.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, so the gentleman here is reporting, is requesting unspecified public records request for.
Are you calling?
I'm calling Mandy. But right now, he's interrupting my flow. He's demanding a public records request right now.
I was actually asking for a public record, which is my statutory right, and he's denying me service, which is, yeah.
I'm
you
not
are.
second. I'm not denying you service, sir. I got his information.
Hey, you totally
I'll
skipped
forward
me.
it on to you.
Okay, first of all, you're not gonna video me.
Okay, then step away from the camera. Doesn't make sense.
How can I help you?
We're here to pay our real estate taxes.
Well, I keep telling him that he's interrupting my flow
Ma'am,
of information.
again, I'm in public right now. If
But this
you
is
have,
their personal information, sir.
right,
They're
I
presenting
know.
their documentation. They're presenting
Ma'am,
social
I've done
security
this in
cards. I
tax
cannot help you in
collector's
this
office
area.
all over the state. I know exactly where I'm allowed to be, where it's my right to be, and where you're not allowed to stop me, okay? I'm asking for public records. I have one simple records request. If you write it down, I've already given him my email. You send it to me whenever you have it ready. Oh, okay, walk away.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Hi there. How can I help you? Again, you cannot record any of the information here. I will call the police because you
Call the
you are-
police. Call the police because you're really ignorant. Hoorah, devil dog. Honoring my oath.
That's all you're doing. You're doing.
Yeah, I have to be careful with me.
That's okay. No worries.
It's not on YouTube.
Yes, please. Thank you. Again, I keep telling him he cannot record up here because people present their personal documentation or refuse to do so. So he's calling law enforcement right now. Thank you. Hi there.
That's my grandfather.
So just wants an ID card. And he's
Yeah,
here.
no, yeah, he's with his
Perfect.
caregiver
Excellent.
sitting.
That's okay.
He's 91, so.
Sorry, same address.
I'm sorry?
I don't want you taking pictures of us.
Then don't call attention to yourself.
Then stop it. You don't have like the right to take pictures of me.
I do have the right, sir.
Oh,
Call
fuck
you
you.
by this number. That's okay.
Thank you. Wait in
Wow.
You have a seat here, whatever
Thank
seat's
you.
available. Thank you so much.
People like you get fucking hurt.
You touch me, I'll touch you back.
I hate to make you wait. So this doesn't go through probate, correct? It should. It should go through probate, so it hasn't been through probate yet. Okay. So, but is it due to go to probate? Okay, so it's not in the probate cycle. Making sure. So death certificate, given titles, but if it's going, there's 3 of you, you only have 3 children, and there's no surviving spouse. So the children are entitled to it. You're the one who's going to be taking title. That's okay. But then the being a release of heirs for each survivor. It goes to.
Excuse me.
Get some fresh air.
Now serving D 209 and station number 20.
Said he's got a TikTok.
No, I don't.
Somebody find that kid on TikTok.
Here, you want to sit here? Oh, you sure? You want to sit here? I'll sit. Okay. Okay, you sure? Okay.
So shines a good deed in a weary world.
Yeah. No, that's what I said. You want to sit here and I'll go there? Okay. Thank you so much.
And I'm not going to, so shut up.
Can you not do that?
No.
You know you can get arrested for that?
No, I can't.
You want to bet?
Well, yeah, I can get arrested, but then it's a civil lawsuit and I get a lot of money.
But what are you doing that for?
It's our rights.
For what?
It's like our muscles. If we don't flex them, we lose them.
Okay, but there's people that here in the military like me. They don't
Yeah.
need all that.
Well, thank you for your service. What branch? All right, thanks for the ride, too.
We have a right to
Yes.
What is your name?
We'll find from the police report.
You do
when it
not
comes
have
out.
the right to get my information for a public records request. I want his name and his salary. That's all I want in the
You
public
have my
records.
name and my-
Edward
our
would not
salaries.
give me his
Edward
last name.
Okay, okay. If you want someone's salary, you have to go to Clearwater.
No, I don't.
We can't give you his information here,
Ma'am,
but I can tell you
if
who
you
you
take
get it from.
if you take down my request, you can take it down here and you can just email it to me. I don't have to go anywhere else. You are supposed to take it here. Chapter 119-1 of Florida
You
State
want to write
Statute.
down? You want to write it down? What you want me to?
No,
give me
ma'am.
your email address.
I actually want you to write it down.
So.
No, I want to make sure it's right. So you write
That's
it down.
right, and that's
I'll
no,
email
ma'am.
it to who
No,
you need to go to.
again, Florida Statute 119-1. If you want to go read it and then come back and we could do this after you know the law, but you're supposed to write it
Look,
down.
dude, I got my shit right here. My mom died. This is personal
sorry.
information. Look, you're on
No,
camera right
I'm
now
not trying
recording
to-
it.
I'm not trying to get
take
it.
it away now. I'm not fucking with
No.
you. This right here, get it away. Get it away.
This guy's causing a disruption, causing a disturbance. Somebody do something about this.
Dude, I'm telling you right now, get that camera out of
Listen,
my
ma'am,
face.
Chapter 119-1 allows me to make the
I have a
request.
customer. This is a customer
This
here.
conversation's
Right.
over. You can report to
You
law
can go to the
enforcement.
end of the line and
All right.
wait.
Period. We already have your
Denial of service.
We have your
Okay.
email.
See you later.
You gave it to us. We'll submit to the appropriate authority. Thank you. Okay, so yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, no, that's not your fault.
Okay, so your siblings. I need you to back away. There's personal
This is
information
personal
here.
information. So you
Don't.
need to move.
This is called a heckler's veto. This is very bad in a
This
court
is
of law.
called a fucking title. This is called a death certificate. It's got sensitive information on it. If you want to
I'm
record
sorry
me,
for your loss.
yeah, well,
I
get out.
really
Stop
am.
recording me, buddy.
Calm down and handle your business.
Yeah, handle your business. Turn
Leave
that
me alone.
camera around
Leave
right
me
now.
alone. Leave me
Turn
alone.
the camera around.
Leave me alone.
Upset my customer.
You need to move.
No, sir, don't put your hands on me.
You need to move out.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't put your hands on me.
don't.
You get the police if you want to manhandle
He is on
somebody.
their way.
All right.
But it's just a day. So they print their name here.
Okay.
So I gave you 3 copies. One for you, obviously, and the other.
What's your name and guard number?
So
What's your name and guard number? Floyd, what's your guard number? What's your guard number? Listen, I have the Florida Guards manual. It's your policy to give me your number.
I ain't got no policy.
Oh, you don't have a policy? G4S? Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
G4S. G4S.
I know exactly.
That, right?
Yeah, I've been there plenty of times. You're gonna lose your job.
No.
thank you. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. I got you. So they'll call you by this number.
You cannot impede my traffic, sir. We're doing civil rights audits here. This is for our civil rights. I honor my oath. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Keep on keeping on, sweetheart.
You can video me. You know, you can video the customers.
Can you please let them know that this is allowed and legal, and have them stop trying to incite a riot?
Nobody's trying to incite riots.
We do a lot of good. We stop child molesters.
By recording people that.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
You never know where they'll find them.
Station number 13.
Sir, you cannot impede my traffic. Yeah, you are impeding my traffic. Stop it. Sir, you can't impede my traffic. Sir, you know what a simple battery is? It's another lawsuit.
You walking. It's you walking.
Get out of the way.
There you go. Keep it just like that. Shot me.
Seriously, dude? You're making yourself look silly. You're gonna look silly on the internet. Okay.
Been on there before. Been on there before.
All right. Huh?
You're gonna keep your part off, though.
What part? No, I don't edit anything out.
Yeah. You're gonna look like an asshole.
I hope I get
Okay.
a lot of hits.
You will. Huh?
Right, you're good looking. You can get all the hits.
Now, remember we were talking about harassment? This is the definition, actually.
How's that harassment? He's doing his job.
He's impeding my traffic, and
He's doing his job.
it's been more than once.
But he's
No,
doing his
he's
job.
not doing his job. He's actually failing at his job.
doing this?
It's for civil
No
rights.
reason.
Civil rights to do what? To do what?
We have a First Amendment right to record our government. It's also Smith versus City of Cumming. It's a 11th Circuit Court case law that
why
says
are
we.
we involved?
You asked the question, sir.
I know,
Please.
and
I have no interest in you.
Then why are you filming me?
I'm
Hey,
not.
that's a note.
It's not even on you. I have no interest in
You're
you.
disturbing other people. That's
Sir, I can't control their emotions. They need to control their emotions.
What's the end goal?
It's to make this line shorter next time.
Well, you're making it longer by bothering everybody.
Your 5 minutes. Your 5 minutes might be important to you right now.
I've come in here where it's been no line at all. So
Okay,
not a problem.
that's wonderful. How are we going to know unless we check? And you need to move away from me, sir. You're invading my personal space. Stop it. Knock it off.
Doing a good job.
As long as I'm a couple feet away.
Okay. All right. If I can
Believe me, I
smell
know.
you, you're too close. Over an hour wait.
Come at a different time if you don't want to wait. Try it.
No, I'm not waiting at all.
That's all, that's just renewing, that's all you
I was here to find out how long they're making you wait.
Okay.
I've been calling you.
Okay, no
for
problem.
This number, be about
They educated you?
5:40.
Okay.
Thank you for not wasting the resources.
Hi there.
Dummy.
Oh no.
So do you have the time or are you making payments for this vehicle?
Let them know the only power they have is my reaction, or their reaction.
Is this, just making sure, is this
Hope I get a lot of hits.
okay? She still lives, do you have a copy of her license? Or something you're gonna, yes?
No.
She can do, send you the picture and that'd be fine, just email it to us, because we're gonna need her information as well. Okay, registration only, so that'd be okay. You have Ford insurance?
Es nuestro derecho, doña.
We're like in the process. We just moved. So I'm progressive. I mean,
We need
Okay.
that vehicle, so you need the vehicle.
so I need. Okay. Oh, it is. I mean,
For Florida.
Okay. So I just need to update my address.
Update to a Florida policy, you gotta specify you should be to a Florida policy.
Inside.
Otherwise, you can't do it. Do the policy, get her.
In the public areas.
Okay, most definitely.
Okay, got it.
And yourself information.
Okay.
So just let us know.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Like I can't bring mine. They won't let you.
No, this is called prior restraint. This is also against the law. You don't care? Because G4S isn't going to pay for your mistakes. I'll sue you in your individual capacity. Did you have another question? Okay. Okay.
Nobody wants to hear, bro.
So, I don't care. I don't care how many people are asleep.
Nobody wants you here.
Now serving D 214 at station number 20.
Okay, I got one question. Is this your right email address?
It has to be in your handwriting, so you
Is
can't.
this your email address?
So you can't say that.
Is this what you want us to get the information
Ma'am,
you want?
You need to stop shouting.
Please.
Hey, how are you, sir? May I have your name and badge number, please?
It's right there.
Officer, right there.
It's right there.
Can you please enunciate it, please?
Sergeant Vincent.
Thank you. And what's your badge number, sir?
2921.
Thank you. Information, which we don't have it right here to give. I asked him for him to write it down. He won't. I'm asking him, is this the right information? It's a process. I don't know what he wants.
I know the
information on.
process very well, and it's my statutory right to have you write it down, so you can't say that you can't read my handwriting. Write down the.
I'm asking you, is that it?
Ma'am, don't be an ask murderer. Yes, that is my email.
Okay, that's your email address. Now,
Yes.
who do you need personal information
I want
on?
Edward's last name and his salary.
Okay, then it's a process, and they'll email it to you.
Okay, you have a reasonable amount of time to do it.
Can you escort him out? He told me who he wanted.
Please
on. That's
educate
it.
her.
Okay. Let me talk to her real quick.
Thank you. Feel dumb?
No, see, you're gonna have a night.
Yeah. How is that? Thanks for joining the movement, sir. But if you turn it sideways, landscape.
That's right.
That's way better. Right on. First Amendment. Two rights make an awesome. These are our rights. Please record everything. Record everything. No, it makes it better because this doesn't lie. I tried explaining it to you. Ma'am, the onus is on you to protect their information. There should be restricted signs. There should be tints on these windows.
Okay.
That's one of the things
I'm
we're
not
doing.
disagreeing with that.
Okay.
So,
thank you.
You want the information, right?
Yes, sir.
She said there's a process to that.
Right.
Legally, statutory, they can give you that information. However, there's a reasonable
Amount of time.
timeline, and
Right,
it
right.
doesn't have to be in the next, like today. It doesn't
I don't
have to
need
be
it
today.
immediately.
Okay, as long as you know that.
Right
So
on.
They'll get that information. Is there anything else you need from them after you get the information?
Yes, I just need to see how they treat these people for the rest of the day.
You're going to stay here all day?
Perhaps.
Okay.
I'm going to stay here as long as I feel like it.
Okay.
Okay?
Just don't cause a confrontation with anybody.
No, sir.
Do not try to videotape anybody's personal information.
No, sir. I'm not trying.
And I understand what you said about
if I do accidentally, that's them that has violated the
Okay,
Privacy Act.
But if I see anything getting at where you're getting in anybody's faces,
No,
where
I'm not.
you're going to cause a problem, that's when we're going to have a problem.
Right. You could ask Sergeant Hainsty. You could ask Kyle Bingham. You could ask
I'm
those
just letting
people.
you know. I just
that-
wanna
I'm one of the
establish
few professional, non-antagonistic people who does this.
I appreciate it.
Okay. And I appreciate you too.
Okay, well, like I said,
Your
I wanna
job
make
is
sure
very
you're-
difficult. I told you don't waste the resources, but you have crime to fight.
I want to interject into this. I was talking to him, reading my documents.
He's the first one who called me over and said that
My
he's going to sue me.
documents are very private. Right, I'm handling judge business. This guy was videotaping me while I was reviewing them. I told him to stop videotaping. He said no, shut up.
Okay, so
And
he's allowed to.
And that's
He's allowed to videotape. He's not against the law to videotape, and like
No, without my permission, he
well,
cannot.
yes, he is. Okay, so show me the law that says he can do that. He can do that.
I told him show Paris Hilton too.
Show
He doesn't get
This
it.
is a government building. He has a right to be here. He can videotape. You can videotape
But he's
him as well.
allowed to harass the
Okay,
people
and-
inside.
What's that?
Is he allowed to harass us inside here?
No, I'm going to sit here and
The
watch.
definition of
Whatever he does.
harassment, sir? I've never seen this man before in my life.
Yes, you have.
Oh yeah?
Yes, you have.
Where?
We're gonna find out. I'll take care of it myself.
You're not
I'm
important,
gonna
sir.
be
I have no
standby.
interest in you.
As long as he's here, we're going to be, as an officer, is going to be here. So, unfortunately, that's because I
No,
got
and you know what?
complaints
Let's get
that
out of
it's
here.
not getting
Come on.
Where we go?
Shake hands.
Where we go? Where we go?
Let's see if you have some hand sanitizer in your car.
I do. Come on.
All right, let's go.
D, 218. Station number.
Thank you. Take care. Thanks again.
Yeah, no problem.
Just got to flex our rights and educate the public. Thank you, sir. Yeah, no, I let him know. If you have case law, give it to Paris Hilton because... And I wasn't really trying to be a smartass. He was sitting down. He said, come here. You, come here.
Listen, here's what I'm telling you is that people are going to get upset if you're
Yeah.
videotaping them. They're going
Let's get out of
to
traffic.
take it personal, and even though it's your right to do so, they're going to take it personal. And I can see where that leads to confrontation,
Yeah.
and that if it's a breach of a peace, then I can escort you out. Where I think that a fight or breach of the peace is imminent, then I can take action. Other than that, as long as everything is calm and civil and there's not a problem, then I can escort whoever's the antagonistic person.
Correct. Correct.
route
The
out.
antagonist is the one who
Right.
gets.
But
if-
that's open to debate because someone can argue that you're invading their space.
Well, no,
and,
sir.
You know,
No, it is not open to debate.
Well,
Let me explain. Let me explain why.
We'll see if that is or not, based on, like I said, your posture. There's a lot of factors. I'm not going to get into that.
Let me
But,
explain
you know,
why you cannot criminalize a constitutionally protected act. This is freedom of the press, and we have a case law, Smith versus the City of Cumming.
Right. Just like you can't say fire in a crowded theater, right? You're familiar with that term, right?
No, absolutely.
You
Time,
know,
place, and manner.
Time, place, and manner.
Absolutely. And I always abide by all of them. I come in during working hours.
Like I said, you have a right to be here. You have a right to film. You have a right to your public record request. Because of the disturbance that it caused, whether right, wrong, or indifferent, the police are going to stand by while you're doing your official your business here and your citizen rights to be here.
Okay, let's.
When you said that you didn't want to waste our resources,
right?
So you know, obviously the resources
snuck up on me.
will be wasted.
Not happy
The
about it
resources
either.
will be wasted while you're here.
Okay, can I have your name and badge number, please?
We don't have badge numbers.
Can I have your name and whatever separates you from anybody else named the same?
Give me your number.
Yeah.
Officer.
Don't be like that. Come on, be professional.
Salakian. Right here.
Salakian right here. Is there a hyphen? Yeah.
So what are you gonna? What's your goal? What's
Lieutenant,
your plan?
can I please have your name?
Sergeant Division, Lieutenant Oakley Russo, badge number 3094.
Okay. All right. Well, Sergeant, you have a discipline problem in your ranks. Obviously, you know he won't give his name and badge number. It's your policy to do that.
Well, we don't have badge numbers. So
Oh well, ID number, whatever it is.
Can you give me your ID number?
It's 213.
How about that? Was that so hard? It's ego. It's a matter of ego, and I'm here to remind you, you're here to be the best of us.
All right. So what's the game plan?
I'm going to go back in for a little bit
And
continue with my rightful act.
No,
Yeah.
I understand, but
Okay.
I'm allowed to ask you these questions, so you don't have to.
Right.
You don't have to answer them.
Okay.
We know that, but I'm asking you. We're talking like gentlemen.
Yeah.
I would just kind of know a game plan because, like I told you, you're going to stand by. And I want to know how long my resources are going to be here while you're here.
Not too much longer. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
Can you just stand by with him while I talk to the lieutenant real quick?
I'm still here.
Hello.
Station number 4. Now serving D 221 at station number 20.
Look at this.
Hey, Devil Dog. Thank you, sir.
One second here, let me take a look real quick.
Just had to thank my fellow Marine. All right.
We're good. Come on.
Honor your oath.
You're in the Marines?
Yeah. How about you?
Yep, I was, yeah.
What branch? Marine Corps?
Yeah, 1-7, Suicide Charlie. Hey, can you get that?
Okay, so you were 03?
I'll talk to you, but just get that.
No, I don't ever take anything, and I don't have it in your face. You know, my wife puts her titty in my face. That's in my face. You know, this is not in your face.
You sure it's a wife or is it a guy?
Well, with those eyebrows, come on, look at you. And do you have some sort of homophobia?
So let me help him out a little bit. You're having a conversation with this officer? Are you or are you not?
I don't answer questions.
See, a moment ago, I asked him not to videotape me. He said no.
His superior
Shut up.
just
And
told
he
you.
said no, shut up. And then he asked me about the law. So now I'm going to quote you the law.
Yeah.
The law in the state of Florida says, if you have a conversation with me without my
Oh, the
permission,
wiretapping law. Oh
if
my
you have a
God.
conversation with me without my permission,
What a dummy.
you violated the state law. Now you can videotape.
Yeah.
But as long as you're having a conversation,
Your voice is on here. Your voice is on here.
Both parties have to agree.
Right. And
We
if
will
you're
see
in
you
private, if you're in private.
Are you down here, sir?
No. No, I'm going to take my time now. I'm going to take my sweet time.
Do you have anything better to do today?
No, nothing better than defending our rights and honoring my oath. All right, Devil Dog? You lost it. You forgot it. You're one of the people that I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to get you out of the police force. Make their job safer. That's right. Everybody's going to see what a tyrant you are. A tyrant. When people act on whim instead of the rules and the law, when they have a position of authority, that's tyranny, and we're fighting that. That's what we swore an oath to defend. And he's a Marine, too. He's a fellow Marine. With those eyebrows, he's saying that I'm a homosexual and making fun of me. Yeah, but he insinuated that I'm a homosexual. I mean, I have it all on tape. This guy seriously needs some more training.
Okay, you want to show me the video?
No, I'll email it to you if you have a card or something.
I think I ran out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to in my car.
I've never written a complaint against an officer, but I'm going to start today. All right. Because I have...
You're harassing everybody inside.
No, you don't even know the definition of harassment, so please be quiet. How about that?
All right.
I'll send it to Sergeant Hasty. If anything, she could transfer it to you or something.
Which one?
She's Clearwater West.
Okay,
are you east?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is east.
All right. So send it to Hasty. I'll get the information.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Right on.
Like I told you, we're gonna protect your rights to be here and to videotape. And listen, people are uncomfortable with videotaping. People are uncomfortable with being in front of a camera.
Now everybody's so scared in the home of the brave.
Well, and
we're trying to make this more ubiquitous to ease that fear and let people's shoulders drop. And, come on.
Yeah, well, like I said, people are getting nervous and uncomfortable around video and cameras. And listen, just like we get them on the beach a lot of times where we'll get, guys going out there with a camera and then we get complaints. He's taking pictures of little girls. Well, we look at the camera and we're like, you're not taking pictures of little girls.
Right.
You can be on the beach. He can take the cameras
They
out.
try their
the
best to
videos,
criminalize it.
And right. And we're like, listen,
While I'm editing this, I look up who Kyle Bingham is. I found out he bought a homeless man some new pairs of pants. Yeah. And I put that up in my chalk marks. Whenever you see my videos, it's all in chalk because it's a training tool.
Yeah, he was involved in a life-saving thing where a girl slit her wrist.
Yeah.
Found in the woods. And he got a life-saving award. Bingham.
Oh, I didn't hear about that, but I wrote the pants thing.
You can add that one to the list if you want.
I will.
He had a life-saving
I'll put it on here.
He had a life-saving award, and he's only a first-year officer.
Look at that. And I wrote, "Be like Kyle," because I want him.
He's coming to my squad actually next shift.
Stars will shine, and tyrants will show their colors.
So I called him the rookie sensation.
Yeah.
He does such a good job. Now he's not a rookie anymore, though. He's in his second year.
Good.
So I call him Hollywood now.
Hollywood. So 1-7, huh?
Yeah, Suicide Charlie.
Yeah.
What about you?
I was an 08-11, 312. And
Steel. Hey, are you really gonna file a complaint on me?
No. I never. But I'm not a homosexual. Thanks for the compliment anyway, though. Those guys are squared away. I never seen a good-looking guy except in the mirror.
Well, if I don't clean these up, man,
look at mine. Look at mine. Let him go free.
Yeah, mine would get
freedom.
No, I can't. No, I look hideous.
But you'd be amazed at stuff that happens at VAs. People checking out in the parking lot because they were turned away. You know what I mean? You heard about that, right? There was a colonel. He just checked out right there in the parking lot. And that guy was a colonel, dude. What? He spent his whole career. Thank you, man. Thanks for the support. You want to take care of him? I'm going to take off. Take care, man. Tell the sergeant thanks for respecting my rights and defending me and educating him. Take care, brother. Yeah, man. And that's it. Pinellas County Tax Collector.